In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the chat box position here in Battlefield REDSEC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, get loaded in and open up your settings. If you're on Xbox, hit LB or RB to navigate over there. If you are on PlayStation, hit L1 or R1, or if you're on PC, just hit that gear icon up in the top right. And once you are in your settings, go ahead and go to the HUD section on this left-hand sidebar. From here, what you're going to want to do is just scroll all the way down until you see the chat option on here. And you may have to scroll a little bit far they're into this section towards the very bottom to see it. But once you do see this section right here, you're going to want to go to the last setting for it, which is chat settings, and open it up. And this is where you're going to be able to change a bunch of different stuff. And you could fully customize it. You can adjust the width, you can adjust the height, and of course you can change that vertical and horizontal position as well. When you do select these vertical and horizontal positions, you're going to see a preview of what it looks like over on this left-hand sidebar. So as you can see, if I increase this, it's going to go further down. If I decrease it, it's going to go further up. So I could actually set it at, 0, and it's going to be practically up at the top of my screen. I actually don't like to keep it that high up, and I feel like a good minimum is like 2 and 2. You can also adjust the scale as well if you want to make it a little bit smaller. But it really is as simple as that. Just back out of this menu, and as soon as you back out, your settings will save automatically. But that is how you can edit the position of your chat box here in Battlefield REDSEC. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.